Gee my 'n man wat sê wat waar is. As die duiwel daar is, wat doen wat reg is. Die regter weg is, wat trou by sy gewete bly. As hy straf in plaas van beloning kry.
Good morning. It is the 31st of July 2026. And in this skid mark, I'm going to talk about the future of Europe, the way that I see it. Since 2022, I have done a number of skid marks on the things that I see is happening in Europe, and the future does not look good for the white people in Europe. If you read the news, one of the things that is very prominent is the out of control immigration problem that Europe is faced with. Now, this immigration issue is going to cost the white Europeans a lot, and they are going to struggle to survive because everything has been set up to make it impossible for them to survive. After World War II, my parents' generation worked very hard to rebuild their lives and build a future for their children, and they envisaged for themselves a quiet, peaceful old age time of their lives, and for the children, a peaceful environment in which they can be safe, in which they can build their own families and continue to build on that which my parents' generation laid down. But that was not to be. If you look at the realities in Europe today, you will see that there's none of this. Instead, you have been given the following scenario, and this has now become your daily life. If you really think this is purely by chance, then you need to wake up and smell the coffee. In 1927, a book was published in which the goal was stipulated very clearly. Unfortunately, I cannot show you examples of the book and name the guy who was the auditor because it is a banned word. But I'm going to say this. He was, as I call them, a budgie, and he made it very clear that the objective for Europe is for the white race to disappear and be replaced by a mixed breed. Now, you can go and check the history. And if you listen to this and you know what I'm talking about, say it in the comments. But that plan was stipulated very clearly, and we can see it play out in Europe today. Now, what you have to understand is that this plan was well thought out and is extremely well financed. Now I'm going to play you a video that you must take a good look at what is happening in that video. This is in Spain. The Spanish border is completely overrun here. And if you pay attention to the details, you will see that all those migrants are mainly young, military-age men. Now, the question is, why so many men? Why the men? You have to take into consideration that publication that I referred to earlier. The end goal is for the white European race to disappear and be replaced by a mixed breed. Now, all these young men, what are they doing here? They are here for your woman. That is their target. That is what they are for. And I feel extremely sorry for the European women, because part of the whole operation was to make your men weaklings, men that are not sure what sex they are, and things like that. Men that are low on testosterone, men that are not men. And they will be confronted by these virile migrants. And you must understand, you young lady, you are the prize. And most of your men of your tribe cannot defend you. You have to understand that. And this is what makes this whole fucking plan evil. Evil to the core. But you cannot expect anything else from the budgies. And do not think for one moment what is happening now in Spain is purely by chance. I'm going to show you a plate now that you can take a look at, and this is Sotomayor making the following statement, and then you must think about the consequences and what is happening today. So, I am a Boer sitting here in South Africa, observing what's happening in Europe. I have a great passion and commitment towards my tribe, the Boer tribe of Southern Africa. But I cannot ignore the fact that my ancient roots comes from Europe. And what I am seeing is making me very sad. And I feel very, very sad for the women of Europe. And if you're a European man listening to me, you better go and stand in front of the fucking mirror and take a good look at yourself and ask yourself if you will be able to defend your women against what they are importing to tackle you. Now, I'm going to stop on this. I want you to take a deep breath, and before you label me a conspiracy theorist, look at the facts on the ground. The white European race is doomed. Your extinction has been planned very well, and it is playing out. And many of you are playing into the hands of the real enemy, the Satans of this world. That is what you are doing. Please give me a like and a subscribe and share this thing if you think there is other people that need to take note of what is happening. Have a great day.